Hi, I'm Ron Painter, President and CEO of the National Association of Workforce Boards. NAWB was founded over 40 years ago by a group of private sector folks who had been appointed to something called a Private Industry Council. Led by Ted Small, this group of people focused on how do we understand public policy with regard to education and skill development. 40 years later, we're still doing the job in Washington, D.C., advocating for both the flexibility for you to do your work, the accountability, clear understanding of the accountability to do that work, and increasingly working on appropriations to make sure that you have enough funds to do that work. In that process, we've come across two people who have worked with us closely on Capitol Hill and with whom, because of local workforce board directors like Bill Villano and Clyde McQueen, we have a good relationship with these people, with these representatives in Congress, and they help us in the appropriations process. We want to recognize two of them this year, and you're going to hear from them in a little bit. But they are Senator Roy Blunt of Missouri and Representative Rosa DeLauro of Connecticut. And let me tell you a little bit about each of them. Senator Blunt was elected to the United States Senate in 2010. He serves as chairman of the Senate Republican Policy Committee and as chairman of the Senate Rules Committee. He also serves on the Senate Appropriations Committee, the Senate Commerce, Science and Transportation, and the Select Committee on Intelligence. As chairman of the Appropriations Subcommittee on Labor, HHS, and Education, he has been a true partner and a true champion for workforce development funding. Prior to serving in the U.S. Senate, Senator Blunt served 7 terms in the U.S. House of Representatives, and prior to that, he served in statewide office in Missouri. Senator Blunt also served 4 years as the president of Southwest Baptist University, his alma mater. So he has not only a deep understanding of workforce development, but he has a deep passion for it. And so we are proud to recognize and thank Senator Roy Blunt for his work on our behalf. Rosa DeLauro is a representative from Connecticut's 3rd Congressional District, which is a big chunk of Connecticut, centered in New Haven. She serves in the Democratic leadership as co-chair of the Democratic Steering Committee and Policy Committee. She is chair of the Labor, HHS, and Education Appropriations Subcommittee, where she is the chair. She oversees the nation's investments in education, health, and employment. Rosa also serves on the subcommittee responsible for the U.S. Department of Agriculture and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, where she oversees drug safety, among other things. At the core of Rosa's work has always been her fight for America's working families. She believes that we must raise the nation's minimum wage, give all employees access to paid sick days, allow employees to take paid family and medical leave, and ensure equal pay for equal work. Every day, Rosa fights for legislation that would give all working families an opportunity to succeed. She has been a true champion for workforce development and education and a great friend of ours. I'm honored, as all of NAWB is, to recognize the achievement and the collaboration of Representative Rosa DeLauro. And now, please listen to their videos as they explain why they're so supportive of what we do.